Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Bundt Pan Meatloaf. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have roughly 2 pounds of ground beef, a hair over, in a metal pan. I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. And guys, it's going to be a delicious twist on your traditional meatloaf. Okay, I'm going to add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, about a teaspoon. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. I'm not putting a lot in because we're adding gravy mix to this, or gravy to it. And that has salt in it. Now I have a 12-ounce jar of beef gravy. I'm going to add that in. Now you're probably thinking this is going to be pretty sloppy, but I'm adding some bread stuffing to this. So I'm going to get in here and give this a quick mix. You just want to blend your egg in and your spices and your gravy the best you can. Alright, now I have a pack of chicken flavored, let me rinse my hand. I have a pack of chicken flavored stuffing that I bought. What I did is I put a cup of hot water in here with it and left it sit for about 5 minutes. Actually, I left it sit a little longer so it would cool off so it won't burn my hand. Now I'm going to get most of this in here. I'm going to save a little bit because Megan's eating separate with us and she don't like meatloaf, so we'll save a little bit for her. Okay, now I'm going to get in here with both my hands and just mix this all together good. Alright, now I have a 9-inch Bundt cake pan here. I'm going to spray with a little cooking spray. Even though this is non-stick, we want to be sure that our meatloaf isn't going to stick. And guys, my ground beef is like an 80-20 blend. You want to try to get it lean, not super lean. You want some moisture in it, but lean so that it doesn't render off a lot of grease. And if it does, when this is done, it'll all rise to the top and I'll just drain the grease off of it. I'm going to get my ground beef in there. Just want to evenly spread it around in there. Now this aluminum pan has seen its better days. That'll go in the trash. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit this on a cookie sheet and I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 1 hour until it's cooked through. Then when I take it out, we're going to let it set up for about 5 minutes before we move on. Alright guys, I got this out. I flipped it over on a plate and I must say this is real moist meatloaf. Maybe next time I'd only put 1 egg in. I'm going to take some mashed potatoes I made and we're going to fill the middle of the meatloaf up. Now I made a lot of mashed potatoes, not all going to fit in here, but I made extra gravy for the mashed potatoes. This here is pretty much just for appearance purposes. Now I have some brown gravy here. I made 2 packs or 2 cups of gravy. I'm going to put some of that down over top of the meatloaf. And I'm going to hit that with a little fresh parsley. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made those mashed potatoes I showed you, and I made some buttered corn to go with this. I'm going to try this meatloaf. This is super tender, moist. It's really good, well seasoned. That's really delicious, guys, and the hardest part about that was getting out of the Bundt pan. I'm not going to lie about that. It's really easy, really delicious. It's a good Sunday meal. Alright, there you have it, guys. Bundt Pan Meatloaf. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.